I am so excited in today's video because we will be trying the Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade in medium brown. So if you want to know if this product is still good in 2020 and if it is worth your money, then continue watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time that I post a video. So let's get into this little makeup review for the brows in right away. Hello beauties! So in today's video, we will be reviewing, and I'm excited to do so, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade. And I wanted to try this cult favorite that is from a lot of people, and I wanted to dive into it to see if this is still, like a good product nowadays, or if you can find other cheaper products. And I'm gonna compare it to the one that I had before, which is the Maybelline Dipbrow, the Maybelline pomade. I don't know how they call it, but I had this before, and I want to know if this is really better than what I had before, and if it is better than my micro brow pencil that I use every single day with NYX Cosmetics. So of course we will talk about price, packaging, we will talk about everything that you need to know. So I want to talk about the price first and the packaging. So the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade, I have it in medium brown, and it is $24 for 4 grams, which is 0.14 ounces. And when you go into the packaging, of course, you have the little box and you have the color at the top of the box. Then you open it up and you have this nice, cute packaging with the Anastasia logo at the top, and it is saying Anastasia Beverly Hills, and under you have the little color. And you look inside, very nice and sleek. So when I look at it, there's no particular smell or anything. So it's good. I can't wait to put it in my brows. But first, I'm going to read what it is supposed to do. Almost 5-star reviews on the Sephora website. It is a smudge-free waterproof pomade formula that performs as an all-in-one brow product. And it is creamy, multitasking, glides on the skin, hair smoothly to create clean, defined eyebrows. Stand-up formula works as a brow primer and provides color, sculpture, and shading. It is ideal for oily skin and in humid climates. So that is awesome because we all need a brow that is smudge-proof and that will last all day. So I'm gonna try it out now because, as you can see, my eyebrows kind of look very sad right now. As you can see, all my face is done. If you have any questions about the products that I used, everything will be listed down below, but we will go straight into the brow product. So opening it up, and I'm gonna use a little spoolie on one side and a little brush on the other side to use it on my brows, and I'll see what's the pigmentation and how it works. But first I want to do a swatch on my hand to see how it goes. So I'm gonna come up close with my hand and I'll show you what it looks like on my hand. So when I'm swatching, I notice that a little goes a huge long way. So you have to be careful with how much products you put on your little brush. Sometimes you might put too much and it's just gonna end up super dark. So it's better to put less than too much on your eyebrow or on your brush. But you can always put it on your hand and then go in it with your little brush and then go into your brows. And I think it's a pretty good color that I chose. It's not too dark. My eyebrows are really dark, but I didn't want like the color to be almost black, which when you look at this is really, really brown compared to my eyebrow, but it is in a like a cooler tone, the medium brown. So that's why I chose it. And it looks kind of the micro brow pencil that I already have, so that is really good. So let's jump in it and I will start doing my eyebrows. Start with this brow because this one is the problematic one. I'm just gonna brush it up a little bit and then I will apply with the little brush, and I already have some products on it, so I'm just gonna go with the brush and be super precise. Already that is way faster than the micro brow pencil. Well, I hope. It's more expensive, so it's way more expensive than the micro brow pencil, let me tell you. You can even take like a little liner brush if you don't want to use this type of brush, but I feel like these brushes, it looks good. It looks good. And I think this is going to be easier maybe to fade like in the inner brow because I have a harder time fading for some reason. So what I do is I apply it and then I go back on where I passed to really unify the product so it's not too dark because I don't want this to look too fake. Then, you know, if you go over a little bit, you can always go with some concealer. But this color is good. I mean, I didn't think I would be able to choose from it online. Oh, and that is one thing that I want to say. Choosing on Sephora for the color, it's kind of hard. I had to go on the Anastasia Beverly Hills website to make sure that I had the good color. It's not really saying in any way that it is ash brown or like a cooler tone brown when you go on the Sephora. So just keep that in mind when you're shopping for it, if ever you want to have a good pomade. All right, so that looks pretty good already. Like, I didn't spend a lot of time, and I'm talking at the same time. So I'm just dipping in it the smallest amount possible. Like, I really don't want this to be overboard. So, and I'm just doing light strokes on it. And then you can go like this and create light strokes. This brow though, oh, I think like this is the best brow that I've had in such a long time. Girl, I like it. What do you think? Do you like my brow, what it turned out like? Or do you think it's too expensive? I don't know. Do you use the Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade? Because this brow, let me tell you, it took me nothing. It took me nothing to do this eyebrow, and it looks absolutely bomb. Oh my god. So I'm gonna put some gel first, and then I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera just because I want to show you. So like, you need to let the formula dry a little bit before you apply anything else, just because you don't want it to smudge, even though it says it's smudge proof, which I don't know if it is. Like, if you go with your finger and you really smudge it, it's gonna smudge, as you can see. But like, if you're just scratching, it might not smudge that much. So say that it's smudge proof, smudge free is kind of like a lie in a way, because it's always going to smudge a little bit depending on how hard you are touching it. But if you're just doing like, oh, I don't think it's going to ever move. Thought I would have a harder time just because my brows are so coarse, like the hair is so thick. But I didn't have a hard time. Alright, so I'm gonna go do the other eye off camera, the other eyebrow, and then I'll come back and I'll tell you what I think about this product. So let me go play with it a little bit and I'll be right back. So, I just finished my eyebrows, and girl, okay, I've never done my brows this fast, and this formula is literally amazing. I love it. I have nothing to say about it. I mean, it really goes well. Even though you have a lot of hair, it goes well on the skin. It's really precise. You can really like intensify some parts. You can really dim it down. If you put too much on like a little part of it, you can always smudge it somewhere else in your brows, and it's gonna be equal. And what I like about it is when you have some product left on your little spoolie or your little angle brush, you can continue at the front to do this, and as you can see, there's still a little bit of product left, and then you can really make that feathered look at the front that's really going from lighter to dark on the sides, as you can see, and it's so sharp. Like, where were you all these years? I needed brows. I needed good brows. For $24, the amount of product that I took is so minimal. So minimal in this. It's gonna last me forever, and I just recommend you to close it as much as you can when you're doing your eyebrows if it takes you a long time. But even with this, it takes so not a long time with this. I love the result. I don't know what else I can say. I know it's a short video, but girl, this product is good. I needed to do a review on this, and I absolutely love it. I think it's gonna be my next favorite product. I mean, micro brow pencil, doesn't compare. It doesn't compare at all. So if you have, and it's easy to like clean up, and it's vibrant, the pigmentation is there, it's very easy to work with, way easier than a micro brow pencil in my opinion, especially the one that I had. And like, I hated pomades before just because of the Maybelline one, and this made me fall in love with it. And I swear to God, it's not sponsored in any ways. I just love the product and how it applied on my skin and how it looks overall on my brows. It's so natural. Like, maybe like it looks a little thicker, but my eyebrows are thick anyways, so it looks really good. And you can even put a little liner brush and then do strokes like this, and it's gonna be super easy to use. Anyways, I highly recommend this product. If you have anything to say down below, which is your favorite brow products, tell me down below. But anyways, that is my review on the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in medium brown, and I am telling you, this is really good. And there's a 6 months life to it, which we all know is gonna last more than 6 months. So that's what it is. I want to say on this, I didn't need to clean up my eyebrows, and it's sharp. How is that even possible? I can do my entire face of makeup before doing my eyebrows. Crazy. Like, when is this ever gonna happen? Like, it's itchy, sorry. When is that ever gonna happen? I'm telling you, this product is so good, I didn't even have to clean up with concealer. Because I can do my eyebrows after. I am so excited for this. Anyways. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see more of those awesome videos. So I post 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday, and if you don't want to miss any videos, again, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every single time that I post one. So I really, really love you, beauties, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, beauties.